welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my first topsoil dirt tank. I don't know, I've seen it done. I'm hoping it works out, but I went and got the topsoil. I didn't think it would be that hard to find topsoil without any fertilizer, like just plain dirt, but you really kind of have to. I just asked the people working there. I was like, what is the safest, naturalist, some of it's manure, some of it is just tons of chemicals. So if you're going to do it, it doesn't hurt to ask questions. I mean, that's why we're all here. So, yeah, first dirt tank. Going to put some sand on top of it with some polished black rocks. They're not as small as I thought they were. They're a little bit bigger, so I don't know if I'm going to use them, but it's just going to be for plants. I'm hoping. Hopefully I don't have to put any fish in there. I just wanted to see what it was like. It's going to be a 10-gallon tank, so let's hope for the best. All right, let's go. Yeah, so I guess I didn't film when I was putting in the black sand, but I put in the black diamond sand. And then I put these rocks in there. There's really not a lot of them in there, so I don't think it would be a problem for the plants to grow out of it. They're real loose. It looks like there's a lot, but there's just a very, small amount. I don't know if you could see. There's such a glare on there. Let's just go ahead and let's get some water in there. Yeah, so I'm guessing there's a lot of air trapped in that dirt, so it's gonna bubble like that for a while. I did not expect that. I didn't think it would. I don't know. I guess it's why we do this stuff, to figure out, what's going on. Kind of strange, but it's expected. I think I packed it kind of tight, so maybe don't do that. I don't think it's a big deal, but it's just all that air that's trapped in that soil down there is just releasing all those air bubbles and all that pressure. Yeah, so there's my planted dirt tank. I got my little pump going, my little tube flowing. I got my heater in there, and it's going to let it cycle for a couple. Probably it's going to be a while before I get any plans, unless I have like an emergency where I need to put something in there. But I think it looks kind of cool. It's just a little cheap, PetSmart 10-gallon tank. You got that little heater. I like the color. It's black. Normally they look like that, and they look like crap. And this one looks a little more modern. It's got a lot of air bubbles still flowing through there. If anybody wants the link for this little nano, pump, it's pretty cool. It's really kind of cheaply made, but for what it is, it's just a little sponge filter. Maybe if you need turtles or something. I think it was like $12. And that's the new top fin little heater for 10 gallons and down. I think it's like preset for like 78 degrees. But just a lot of air bubbles and pretty cool. So you can see how dirty it is. This is the next day, and I'm guessing this is what it does. I don't know if this is different or if this is, something unique to what I did, but yeah, that's what it looks like. It's just dirty. I'm going to pour some AccuClear in there and try and, you see the difference what a clean tank and what a dirt tank looks like. I didn't even put root tabs in this, and I wonder if I was supposed to. So I guess I'm going to add them later. Once it clears up, I'm going to let the tank do its thing for a couple days and see what happens. Yeah, so there it goes. That was my first, dirt tank, topsoil, whatever you want to call it. Um, I'll make an update tank on seeing how it works out. I think it will. You want at least like an inch to 2 inches of dirt or topsoil, whatever you call it. And you want to put that sand in there just to seal it, to keep it from, floating everywhere. But you don't know until you try. So yeah, like I said, I'll make an update on it. I'm hoping just to put a bunch of plants in there. I just want to grow some more plants. I'm hoping on building a bigger tank. I'm going to make a big video about it. It's going to be, a rimless tank, low iron, real pretty glass with a whole bunch of stuff, and I mean, everybody does that stuff. So I just find it so interesting, and, does it really work? And it does. And how does it work? And growing plants, it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of work, but, if you want to stay busy, I think it's a great hobby. So thank you for watching my video. Please put up a like, please subscribe. I appreciate it. I'm going to be making more content. And thank you very much. Goodbye.